Dear students, welcome to online live class 8 English version. This is your Kamrul sir. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. I hope you and your family also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today we will discuss chapter 11. The title of chapter 11, Information and Data. Dear students, you can see that already I have written a creative question. According to this information, we have to give the answer of A, B, C. Today, we will discuss this creative question. Now, you can say, dear student, sir, what is the basic concept of chapter 11? So, don't worry, at first we will discuss some important topics. Then, we will go to our creative question. So, dear student, we can start. Now, at first one, in our chapter 11, we will get three process, or you can say three most important topics. This is arithmetic mean or only mean. In class 5, 6, we can say this is average. So you can say average, that means arithmetic mean or mean, both are same things. So we know what is the average, sum of the quantities divided by number of the quantities. So this is our arithmetic mean. Then another topics, arithmetic mean or mean, both are same topics. So this is our mean. And another one, we have to learn median, and another one mode. So these three one today we will discuss. Mean, so mean we know this is average. Now what is the formula of average? In class 4, 5 we know already, sum of the quantities or sum of the data divided by number of the data. This is our mean, that means average. Now median, what is the median and what is the mode? At first look, mode. Mode means maximum apparent data. Maximum apparent data. Suppose these are the information. Now which one is the mode? Look, there are 30 students marks. So there are 30 data we can say. Now among this one, which data is appeared maximum times? Look here, 70, 70, 70, this 70. So here we can say 70 is appeared 4 times. Here 70 is appeared 4 times. So we can say here mode is 70 because 70 is appeared 4 times and the others numbers, they are appeared more than 4 times. So here maximum apparent data 70. So in our maths we can say here mode is 70. This is our mode. Clear? Because 70 is appeared 4 times. In your exam you have to write here 70 is appeared 4 times, suppose 60 is appeared 3 times, this one, and the rest of the numbers or rest of the data they are appeared only 1 time, because if we see here some data they will be appeared only 1 time. So this is our mode. So mode means maximum apparent data. But dear students, remember one topics for mode. If every data is appeared only 1 time, then there is no mode. Then answer will be there is no mode. Suppose there are 30 students marks and here all number are different. That means every number appears 1 time. Suppose if you can get every number appears only 1 time, that case we can say there is no mode. So to find the mode, at least it will be more than 2 times, 3 times or 4 times. Now you can say, sir, if all data appeared suppose 2 times, suppose all data appeared 3 times, 4 times, suppose Yes, then that case we have to say all data are mode. So the answer of mode can be more than one number. Here 70 is the mode, or all number can be mode. But when every data is appeared only one time, then we can say there is no mode. Okay. Now dear students, now we will discuss our median. And mean already we know what is the mean. Mean, that means one kind of that is average. Now median, what is the median? Median means the value of midterm. Median, what is the definition of median? You can say the value of midterms of the given data. This is called the median of the data. The data, that means given data, that means the value of the midterm. So at first you have to find the midterm, then you have to find the value, and this value, this is our median. So median, that means indicate the value, but at first you have to find the midterm. Then what is the value of this midterm? This value indicate the median. But when suppose 5, 7, 2, 9, 1, suppose there are 5 data. Suppose there are 5 data. Now what is the median? To find the, now you can say 2 is the median. You can say, because this is the midterm. But remember dear students, for finding the median, at first you have to arrange the data, ascending order or descending order, anyone. So at first you have to write this data as 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. Now which one? This one. This, that means third term. That means third term. Now what is the value of third term? 5. So 5 is the median. Okay. Now dear student, if there is 11, suppose, now we can see 11. Now which one is the midterm? If you say third term is the midterm, this is wrong, because here 2 terms, after third term 4 terms. If we say fourth is the midterm, then it will be also wrong, because here 3 terms and after 2 terms. Now for this case we can say both on are midterm, that means third and fourth. Third and fourth, both term we can take as a midterm. Now our definition, the value of midterm is the median. Now look here, 5 and 7, this is the value of third and fourth term. Now which one will be our median? Look, one kind of problem. Which one will be? If we say 5, it will be wrong. If we say 7, it will be also wrong, because there are 2 midterms. Suppose when there it will be 2 midterms, in that case we can say their average will be the answer of median. So here 5 and here 7. Now 5 plus 7 divided by 2. Why 2? Because there are 2 numbers, they are median. So it will be 12 by 2, 6. So we can say 6 is the median. So for this number we can say median will be 6. Now dear students, look, one information dear students, look, there are total how many numbers? There are 6 numbers. There are total 6 numbers, and 6 is an even number. So we can say when total data is even, then midterm will be 2 terms. There will be 2 midterms, and which one? Third and fourth. When total number of data is 6, then midterm will be third term and also fourth term. Now how we can get 6? If we divide it by 2, then we will get 3. These 3 indicate third term. And if we write 6 divided 2 plus 1, then it will be 3 plus 1, that means 4. Fourth term. So we can say if total data is 6, then midterm will be 6 by 2, that means third term, and another one will be 6 by 2 plus 1, that means fourth term. Similarly, now if total data is n that means even, then our midterms will be, which one will be our midterms? So our midterms will be n by 2th term, that means 6 by 2th term, and another one, because there are two terms will be midterms, and another one will be n by 2 plus 1, 1th term. So this will be our midterm, n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1. This one will be our midterm. Now what will be the median? And we know when midterm is 2, then we have to find the average of these two terms. Then you will find the median. Now dear students, look, in that case 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. Look, in that case there are how many numbers? 5 numbers, and 5 indicate odd numbers. So when total number is odd, then which one will be midterm? You can say this that means third. Now from 5 we can write 5 plus 1 divided by 2, this term, and 5 plus 1 divided by 2, this is indicate third term. So we can say when total number of data is odd, then midterm will be only one term. Only one term will be midterm. But when total number of data is even, then there will be two midterm. So in that case, there will be one midterm. So we can say if total data is n and this n suppose odd. Now which one will be midterm? So midterm will be n plus 1 divided by 2th term. N plus 1 divided by 2. Our even number, that case n by 2 plus 1. This one is n by 2 plus 1. And this is n plus 1 divided by 2. Both are different. Clear, dear students? Okay. So finally, dear students, finally we will be able to write now finally we can write the formula, two formula for median. We can write, suppose median equal the value of n plus 1 by 2th term. So we can say median equal the value of n plus 1 divided by 2th term. So this term value, it will be median when n is odd. So if n is odd, then we will apply this formula. But when n is even, then what will be our formula of median? Then it will be median equal sum of the value of n by 2th term, and you can write there n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So this will be our formula for median when total number of data is even. It will be sum of the value of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1 term. That means at first you have to find these two terms, then you have to sum their value. Clear? Then divided by 2. So it will be the median when total data is even or we have to use this formula when total data is what? Very simple, dear student. So we can say this is our basic concept. What is mode, what is median, and what is mean. Mean, that means you can say in shortly it is average. Now dear students, we will go to the solve our creative question. Now dear students, look, determine the number of classes taking 5 as class interval. Now we can go here, highest data. Here highest data, dear students, look, what is the highest data? Suppose this is 70, 70, 70, 70. So here highest data is 70. Now what is the lowest data? Now what will be the lowest data, dear students? Now if we search 45, 40, 40, this is 40, 40, 41, that means 40. So lowest data is 40. Now we have to write, we know in class 7 already you know the formula of range. Range equal highest data minus lowest data plus 1. This is the formula of range. Now what is the highest data? 70 minus 40 plus 1. So we can write 30 plus 1, that means 31. Now we have to find the number of classes. Number of classes, that means number of classes equal, we know what is the formula of number of classes in class 7 already know, range divided class interval. Class interval, range divided class interval. Now dear students, what is the range? 31. Now what is the class interval? Question said that 5 is a class interval. Now divide 5. So what will be the answer? 6.2. And we know number of classes, it cannot be decimal. So we can take, it will be 7. So our answer, number of classes, it will be 7. Clear, dear students? Okay. Now we can go B number. Determine the median of given data. Now look, there are how many data? 30 students. So 30, this is our even, total number is even. So we can say total data is even. So at first we have to use our formula. Now dear students, problem number B. B number, here total data n equal 30 and 30 is even. Clear, dear students? So here total data 30 and this is indicate n. Now dear students, we know what will be the formula. We know when number of data is even, our formula is sum of the value of n by 2th term and also n by 2 plus 1th term. But at first you have to arrange the data. This is your task. At first you have to arrange the data. Clear to you? Now if we arrange this data, then what will be our answer, dear students? If we try to arrange this data at first. So now dear students, so we can write, if we arrange the data in suppose ascending order, also you can arrange descending order, ascending order. Now what will be the answer? Now dear students, we can write this will be 40, 41, 42, 45, 48, 49, again 49, there are 2 times, 50, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, also 59, there are 2 times 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 67, 68, again 68, then 70, this is 4 times, 70, and finally this is 72. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 30. So dear students, there are 30 students. Now you can say, sir, how you can write so fast? Because in the previous already here is this data in ascending order. Now I just write it by seeing it in my copy, clear? But when you solve, just search it and you will able to write it. In class 5 and 6 already you know how to solve arrange in ascending order. Now dear students, so remember that for finding the median, at first you have to arrange the data ascending order or descending order. Now we can write our formula. We know median, we know for even we know when total data is even, then what is our formula? Median equal sum of the value of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. Now dear students, here sum of the value n, that means 30, so we can write 30 by 2 term, and another one will be 30 by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. Now dear students, what will be our formula? If we try to write it, then we can write, it will be now dear students, you can write sum of 15th, 30 by 2 15th, and we can write sum of the value of 15th, and this is 16th term divided by 2. Now dear students, you have to search. Already I erase it, but you know what will be the, now here if we search it, then our 15th and 16th term, our 15th term will be 58 and our 16th term will be 59. The value of 15th term, it will be 58, and the value of 16th term, it will be 59. So we can write 58 plus 59 divided by 2. Now if we divide, now what will be our answer dear students? Now this is 7 divided by 2, so it will be our answer 58.5. So we can say our answer median is 58.5. This is our ascending order. If you search here, the 15th term will be 58 and the value of 16th term, it will be 59. So our answer 58.5. Now dear students, C number question said that make a frequency distribution table with 6 as class interval. In class 5 already you know how to make a frequency distribution table, and then determine arithmetic mean. Clear, dear student? So now I will write very fast, but you know how to make frequency distribution table. Now at first make a table. Now we can write, this is our class interval, this is tally, and this is frequency. Now dear students, there our lowest data is 40, so we can write 40, 45, 46, 51, then we can write 52, 57, then we can write 58, 63, 64, 69, 70, 75. This is our last one, so we can there take it, and you can use the tally sign. Now what will be your answer? I can write, there will be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, there 1, 2, 3, 4, and there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and another one will be 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So dear students, you can write frequency here 4, there 4, it will be 6, it's 7, 4, and it will be 5. You know already how to make a frequency distribution. You can search 60, you can write 60 is there. Now make a side here serially, then you can make this table. Now we have to find the arithmetic mean. Determine the arithmetic mean. Now for finding the arithmetic mean, we have to take the mid value of this one. Mid value of this one. Now we can make another box. Suppose this is our column of frequency. Now dear student, we can take a box mid value, and this frequency we can say Fi, this one kind of nickname, and this is we can say Xi. Now mid value 40 and 45. What is their mid value? 42.5. Now 46 and 51. What will be their mid value? Now we have to write this one. So we can write their mid value is 48.5. Now it will be 54.5. It will be 60.5. It will be 66.5, and it will be 72.5. Now dear students, now if we multiply these two columns, now Fi and Xi, these two columns, Fi indicate frequency and Xi indicate mid value. Now if we multiply 4 and 42.5, then we will get our answer by using calculator. 170, it will be 194, it will be 327, it will be 423.5, it will be 266, and it will be 362.5 by using your calculator. Now dear students, we can take another. This is our total. Now what will be our total here? Here total is 30, and there our total of Fi Xi. What will be the answer here? By using the calculator, it will be 1743. Now dear student, what is the mean? That means sum of the data divided by number of the data. So we can say here, therefore mean equal 1743 divided by 30. So their answer will be 58.1. Clear dear students? Okay, no problem. If you any problem, next class also again we will discuss mean if you have faced any problem. Otherwise then we will go to our next topic, histogram and pie chart. Okay, dear students, thank you very much. No more today.